Alright, gang, y'all see it, man. Windshield look pretty good. Mine's all cracked up, so I'm about to try to get this thing up out of here. First, I'm gonna start by removing this seal. I see we need a Allen wrench. I hope I got that with me. See what we can get done, gang. So I had me 5 screws behind this here rubber. Y'all see that? So he ready to come up. Might be a little stuck. Now, y'all see the glue. I'm gonna try to get me something behind here. Maybe a saw. Oh, damn, I forgot to bring a razor knife. Try to get me a rope or something behind here. This seal right here. He ought to just pull up. Got a flathead screwdriver I could try to get him with. Kind of fold up in there. Y'all see that? See that? Come right out of there. Might have to wind up buying me another one of these. Let's see if I can run me a sawzall or something behind there. Then I'll get my wire from this here windshield cable. And then try to remove them like that. For right now, I'm gonna remove these remaining screws about this side as well. Alright, gang, y'all see I got my wire through there. You see the wire? Got them through. So next, I'm gonna take these 2 blocks. I'm gonna wrap one around each side. I'm gonna work it back and forth all the way around the whole glass. Let's try to get that. Alright, gang, still on this windshield. Got the top cut, the sides cut. I went and got me this here tool from Harbor Freight. 15 bucks. I'm gonna try to cut that bottom and get this glass out of here. I'll let y'all know once we get it. Alright, gang, y'all see it. We wasn't able to get the front windshield out of there, but we did manage to get this here back glass out. Y'all see it. I'm gonna do next, man. I'm gonna try to remove this here trim from around this here glove box. See if I can get him out of there. Got a buyer for it, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it. Frame sliced up like butter, baby. Well, rest in peace, OSS. Rest in peace. Get, boy. Old cab over there. Rest in peace.